Hi, this is Jing Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. Today we're going to explain a very panic situation. So we have heard a few cases that their B2 visa was canceled when they re-enter US. So how did it happen and why did it happen? If you have a 10-year valid B2 visa, and if you enter the US as a B in the past 2 years, and if you were stuck in the US because of the pandemic, and many of them submit a B2 extension application to USCIS. And because the extension is so long, the processing has been pending for months. Some of them changing their travel plan and they are able to get their tickets and they are able to depart from US while they are waiting for the pending. And if you leave the US, your pending case will be considered being abandoned. And the consequence will be the USCIS will send you a deny notice, say, oh, you already departed the US, so this case was abandoned by you, so we're not going to adjudicate your case. If you timely filed your extension, which means at the moment you submit your B extension, you are in valid status. If you timely filed your extension, even you leave US while the case is pending, you will not accumulate unlawful presence, which means even the case will be denied because of your departure. Your unlawful presence will start after the case is denied, but you are not even in the US by that time, so there's no way for you to accumulate unlawful presence under this situation. So your record will not be impacted and your B2 visa will not be canceled and should not be canceled. Then the next question is why some of the B2 got canceled. So the most likely situation is they didn't timely file their B2 extension, which means at the moment they submit their B2 extension, the previous legal status has already expired, but they didn't know. They thought they had filed a good case. So during the pending, you accumulate an unlawful presence, that will trigger 222G regulation, then your B2 visa will be canceled. So make sure if you timely extend your B visa, even you leave the US while the case is pending, it will not affect you and it should not affect you. The next question is, will I be notified if my B2 visa is canceled so I can prepare ahead of time? Unfortunately, no. Nobody will notice you if the B2 visa is canceled. You only know it the next time you enter US. The system will show your B2 visa is canceled and then you will be able to know the status of your B2 visa. Hope today's tips are helpful. Thank you.